Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today, me and Mr. Monkey are playing the Witch Trials. Last time we played, he disconnected, which I don't like. But yeah, so we're gonna try and play it again. And he's gonna disconnect. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Sometimes I accidentally hit my mic and I wonder if my viewers can hear it. Like, I wonder if, like, could you hear anything then? Did you hear anything? Why? You're gonna get disconnected. Oh! No. I mean, there's a bunch of papers on this computer desk. Just hit one. What? No, I'm not gonna clean it. I wasn't complaining about it. I'm talking to my mom. She's like, you clean it up. I wasn't complaining. I didn't. That's how a conversation works. That's how you're supposed to talk back. Okay. You're supposed to talk back in a conversation. You're supposed to talk back in a conversation, right? Like, what am I not supposed to answer you? Actually, bro. I'm just saying, like, it's the whole point of a conversation to talk back to a person. Just talk back to them. Just talk to them. It's the whole point. You think he's stuck? I can hear him. I can hear them all on your screen. Nice. That's... Oh my god! They're not moving. I mean, they are moving now. Oh yeah. Kitchen table's always messy. Kitchen table's always messy. Messy in general. I got control. Did you already put in control? No, I'm putting in control. Alright, we just need rebirth. It should be in one of these. You've never seen, like, you mean like the actual Rebirth or the flashbang? The actual Rebirth is actually like, they're just all white and they got this umbrella. You can look up Rebirth from the Mimic. Oh my gosh. Nope, I got jealousy. It's jealousy. Now it's your problem, not mine. I'm not trying to. I'm not even trying to kill you. I'm just saying. It's your problem, no. Is that the same one? Is that the same one? Oh, it's Rage. Okay. Once you get far enough away from it, it just doesn't notice you. Like, they're so stupid. I mean, it does say the mindless guardians of something. But, yeah. This is, I think this is before all of them. I think this is before all of them because we're playing as Yasu. Well, no, something's telling us. Something's telling us about all this. I think I see one. I see two flashbangs. One of them could be Rebirth. What is this guy? He's Control, of course. There's one like way in the back of the map. There's one in the back of the map somewhere. Like way back there. Yeah. All the way there. I don't know if you can see it. I could. Potato graphics. Your gaming device of choice. Oh, I can't see anything back here. I think I'm gonna use the balloon because I am sick of not seeing anything. I'm using the Nightmare Circus balloon. It's just so much better. Oh, there's one stuck. It's Rebirth, it's Rebirth. Grab it. Oh. Alright, I see the exit. I'm getting in. I wonder if they can come in here. I wonder if the flashbangs can come in here. That'd be kind of annoying. This is the only, this is like, I think it's the Halloween trials and I think it's the Halloween trials and the witch trials are the only ones with the old game mechanics. Because the witch trials You know how now, like, the old game mechanics. Like, you know how, like, anymore, like, the chapters, like, when you switch servers for, like, part 2, when you, like, switch servers for part 2, it doesn't, like, show, like, like the thing on your joining a game, that thing. And it's still got, like, you know how anymore when you're behind a monster, it can't see you because you're behind it. These guys can see you when you're behind it because they've got, like, a radius of sight instead of, like, a line of sight. I don't think they can hear you. I don't think any of them can hear you. I think oh, she's just everywhere. Sama's just she's just a thing. I don't really know how to explain it. She's just a I've got the blade. She can just like appear and disappear. As the penguin person said, she can like put you wherever she pleases. So she can probably put herself wherever she pleases. So like she can do more things than we actually think she can. You are? Where are you? Oh, nice. Yep. He's like on the map. He's stuck on top of the map. One of us is gonna have to die. Okay, the blade's not that hard to get. So I could probably just actually no, I think he's stuck. I think Hanzu's stuck. I think Hanzu's stuck. The crawling one. Yeah, the crawling one's stuck. Nope, crawling one is not stuck anymore. Oh yeah, also with the old game mechanics, they get stuck more. I put one of the blades in. Shoot. You've got the blue spirit, right? Yeah, I might need that blue spirit. So if you go into the if you go into that, can you find the blade building? Sync. Do you know where the blade building is? If you ever what? You know the blade building? If you ever find, well, do you have the blue spirit? Never mind. Because if you go in the if you go to the blade building and then go in the direction of the dark blade, you'll find a place that needs the blue spirit. Yeah, they're camping me too, I think. Oh, I see you. Yes. You sure you don't have the butterfly? Okay. Wait, yellow key? You have a yellow key? Oh. Oh, she's coming. Kazuko's coming. Okay. No, they just feel faster when they're chasing you. Okay. I just found the light blade again. This is near spawn. He's going the other way. I found it. Come on, let's both grab it. So if one of us dies. Wait, I can't even grab it. Wait. I don't even think I have too many items. Whatever, it's not that far from spawn. I have 3. I have 3. I've got 2. I have two keys and a white spirit. I think it's right here. Wait, no. Oh wait. Dang it! Went the wrong way again. I know. I know they can't. But I kind of need the dice so I can pick that thing up. Yeah. Once you find the place with the blades, you know where to go, right? Okay. They are both so annoying. They are slow. Mm. You have more. Also, you have more. You. Okay. Yep. I juked him. Woo! I'll get it too. I'll get it. Wait, I can't. Wait, no. I think it's like in my inventory. I think it's like in my inventory. Maybe. Oh wait, I need to die. Can you picked it up, right? So I could be at the beginning when you put the blade in. Wait 1 minute, I can't find him. Oh, now I'm trying to find the monster and he's running away. I think you have more stamina in the Witch Trials because it's the old game mechanics. Oh, finally, Kaziko, get. I am walking. I feel like it does. All right. All right. It's open. What big well? What chapter? What chapter is it? The big well? This is my favorite part. Let's go. Watch, there'll be like a story or something. Watch. I was most certainly not a good mother. She was, but the witch tricked her. The witch was tricking her, like, mentally to, think she was a terrible mother. To make her think she was terrible mother. These are the best remodels, bro. Oh my gosh, yes. You wanna follow me? This is so easy. Just wait until you hear the humming. This way. Up here. Right here. See? It's the same. Come up here. Come in here. See, look. If there is, then I don't really care, but yep, see, it's the same. She's coming in a sec. I know where to go. So there's two skeleton skull things. I don't know where y'all are. Futeo Mo are the fastest monsters in the game. When they're chasing you. Oh, I meant second. Whenever you look up the fastest monster in the Mimic, it's gonna put Futeo Mo, but it's actually Omicade, Futeo Mo, and then Sama. Well. Well, Google still thinks that's just an event. Oh my gosh, I almost got the... Yeah, but the Google thinks that's just... It's just an event to them, I guess. What? It what? It what? Well, it was an event. It was an event in October. It was an event in October. Yeah. Oh gosh. I am dead. Shoot. Shoot. Oh my gosh, I almost got the spirit too. Right here. Do this one. Alright, that's open. Alright, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming. Which way, which way, which way? No, 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 no! We almost had that. We just need to stay here. They're coming back. Their pathing is easy. But once you put the two spirits in, you have to come all the way back. Only the person that puts the spirits in. Yeah, I know. It's way easier to just walk through it than actually try to get the spirits. Yeah. I think so. No, wait, I think they still have a jump scare box. You getting chased? No! They moved up! Get over here. Ah, stupid. Come on, let's move. Right here. Wait. Okay, never mind. This looked like the beginning. It can't be, though. It can't be. What? Love it too. My dad got, But, oh yeah, no, the door's right there. Never mind. It mimics the beginning. Oh, one's coming, one's coming. What? Get over here, you wimp. I got it. That one's the hardest one to get. I might as well put that one in while I can. I'm moving. Okay. Shoot, I think I need both. Do I need both at the same time? Really? I'm so far away from you. I'm not AFKing. I'm dancing. Do you see me dancing? Are you supposed to be dancing? Oh, I'm in. I'm actually. Okay, no, it's just the server being laggy. It's just the server being laggy because it wasn't letting me in. So no, it's just the server. Cause I just teleported. Yeah, I just teleported. I'm teleporting to the part where I burn the spirits. Oh god. I hate this part. I don't know how people die here though. Gosh. It's just a bunch of stairs. You'll see it in my video. Even if we lose, I'm still posting it just so you can see these. Oh, you're in? Oh gosh, you came in? Well, I burned the corrupted spirit, so we just... Nope. You might as well just die here, because you're going back to the beginning anyways. No. You might as well just jump off or go through the door, because you're gonna go back to the beginning anyways. Just jump off. No kidding. Well, whenever you die here, it's the same jump scare because it's a jump scare box. I think so, yeah. Yeah, you would. How are you... Oh, that would have been useful if she came by. Oh, she's coming back? I hear her. Yeah, I need the other spirit. Yeah. And then we need to make our way back. Or I do. You just gotta chill. Because you need all the players to do it. She comes by here all the time. She camps the back, the other one camps, she camps the front, the other one camps the back. So, oh yeah, she's coming, yes! I gotta be ready. No, she has the same jump there. What? How did I die? You got it? You got a spirit? Come back to spawn. Come back to spawn. Don't die though. Come over here. Yeah, come on. Alright, just follow me and you can put the spirit in. Alright. You sprint. Get your sprint. Is your sprint ready? Your sprint's ready now, isn't it? What? How? Alright, come on. Yeah. Alright, get in here, I hear her. Don't! That's the hardest place to go through. It's like the central spot of the map, so both of them can go through. Yeah, they're really fast. Dude, even while they're walking, like not even while they're chasing you, they can almost outrun your sprint while they're just normally walking. So there's no outrunning them. Oh, when they chase you, they're nothing. Like, when they chase you, they can... When they chase you, they're really, really fast. I think they're like three times your sprint. Cause, no, I think they're the same. I think Shinigami is the same speed as them. Cause Shinigami is 5, cause I think, so Shinigami is 5 times your speed, your sprint. 5 times your sprint. So I think, they're like 4 times your sprint. So they're like, yeah, they're really fast. They're like 3.5 times your sprint. Huh. I know you died. She's coming. I thought I was being chased. Oh, that was just the other one. Oh, that wasn't. I got it though. Could you make your way back there? It's not that hard to get to, you know. Do you remember where? I'm not going back to spawn. Okay, I'll put the spirit. stay at spawn. If you don't know where to go, just stay at spawn, because I'll eventually get back there when I put the spirits in. Do you know where to go? Okay, great. Maybe try running around. You might find me. I mean, you don't have anything. You don't. Doesn't really matter if you die. Oh, my ear. I hate these headphones. Alright. Wait, are you like running around? Nice, you might find me. Oh, yep, right here, right here. Yep, nope, no. I cannot die with this thing. I have the spirit. Do you hear anything? Because I don't hear anything. See anything? You hear what? Oh, that one again? That guy was fast. I'm waiting until the laughing one goes by. I mean, I know it comes around every great now and then, but that's why. Oh, there it is. Wait, what? No, come back! What a... What? Oh, of course you are. It's fine, it's not that hard to get. It's the easiest one to get. Even though there's two. So, yeah. It's the easier one. Alright, whatever. No! Well. No, I hear her dragging her sword again. No, someone's coming. Okay. Alright. Think they're coming. Dude! Dude. God. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. I can see that happening. Oh, okay, yeah, go in this one then. I might need to edit me having dinner out of the video because my dad does not care about my channel. So, yep, this will just be either a montage of you dancing or just be nothing. So, yeah, I'm gonna eat. Yeah, whatever. No, I'm back. Finally. Huh, huh. Yeah, come on. Also, pardon my chewing. I'm eating a crybaby. What is? You're not moving. Are you supposed to be? Are you supposed to be? No, but you're not moving. Your legs are just moving. Mm. The monsters aren't. Stay at spawn. I'm about to. Just stay at spawn. Stay at spawn.
Well, we're in a subdivision, so. Oh, are they? Yeah. Oh. I thought it was out in the middle of nowhere. I don't know. I mean, most of these houses are like in some type of like. It's acres usually though, you know, it's usually 5, 10 acres each kind of thing, you know. They separate. Yeah, that would be weird, like to have a car drive by, spook the elk. Hot tub out there, all the furniture's covered.
Alright. I'm like, what is that, a drill? Well, before you said blender, I was like, what is that, a drill? Alright. The exit's open. Are you at spawn? Okay. Cause I am too. Alright, I'm right here. Get over here. Hey, you can't go that far, I don't think. Alright. Don't be risky. Stay at the back of the room. Come on. Alright. In here. In. Closer. Yeah, it's gum. It's gum. It's not just a crybaby. I am. It's just been a long time since I played it. Like, it's actually been quite a while since I played it. Oh my god! Nope, get back. Come on, let's try. Come on. In here. Jeez, they were both in the same place.
The most expensive fantasies.
Not really. Dude, if you watch this... Wait, don't move. Stay there, just stay there. If you watch this video, you'll see that your tooth is like sticking out of your face. Alright. Now let's go back. Yeah. This way. And plus, I was with a pretty good player when I beat it on Nightmare mode. So we were both like really good.
Make sure you spit it out though.
Wait, what? Yep, told you. Get back. They could kill you at the door. Wait. Now. Come on. Come on. Alright, let's go. There we go, guys. We beat it with my friend. It's pretty easy on normal mode, though. GG's. Let's do this. Boom. It's... Alright. Wait, what's trials for? I've never beat this in normal mode. This is the first time I beat this in normal. Yep. GG's. Y'all know it's kind of funny though? Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed.